Okay, part 3 of the serpentine belt removal. After you take this out, you're going to have to wiggle it out and raise the engine 2 or 3 inches. But look back here, make sure you're not hitting anything up here on the firewall every time you jack it, a little bit at a time. And this will actually pivot slightly this way. And make sure, I had to move this a little bit because it was down here and it was blocking it. But then this is a 10 millimeter down here. You pull this line, you're gonna have to loosen it anyways. And just kind of move it while you're pulling it. And have this tilted, and then you can get it out. And then there's 3 bolts. These are 19s. 1, 2, and another one behind here, which is a little bit of a booger because it's behind this. So you're gonna have to move this around and get your socket in there and take that off.